In a world where every room might be watching, where a simple pair of glasses can record your every move, and a fingertip pressed casually to an ear becomes a secure phone line. Espionage is no longer reserved for shadowy agents in trench coats. It lives in backpacks, on keychains, in pockets and purses. Today, you can own the kind of tech that once belonged only in classified files. The eye that wears you, Spy Lens. We begin with something that doesn't look like a gadget at all. Imagine slipping on a pair of glasses that feel light, familiar, almost forgettable. On the outside, ordinary eyewear. On the inside, the Spy Lens. Crafted from lightweight polycarbonate, these lenses conceal a tiny chip and antenna. With a blink or a subtle command, they can record, capture, and transmit footage without a single obvious movement. But the Spy Lens goes beyond surveillance. Hidden within is a sensor capable of detecting glucose levels in tears, turning what looks like a spy tool into a quiet medical companion. Fighting back, SpyFinder Pro and all-in-one detection. Of course, if technology can watch for you, it can also watch you. Hidden cameras and bugs show up where you'd least expect them. Hotels, rental homes, dressing rooms, shared spaces. Places that should feel safe. That's where tools like SpyFinder Pro come in. Pocket-sized and unassuming, this device gives your privacy back. You pull it out, sweep the room, and in a matter of seconds it exposes tiny, hidden lenses. Camera eyes you were never meant to see. It can also help reveal bugging devices and trackers, turning a quick scan into a full security sweep. Cameras that see what you can't. Cameo, Guardro X60 Pro, and NannyCam. Now let's move from detection to documentation. The Cameo is a compact personal spy camera with a 2.7K lens and a wide 110-degree field of view. Slip it into a pocket or mount it discreetly. Controlling it through the RoadCam app lets you start recording without drawing attention. Tiny body, big capabilities. Further out in the field, the Guardro X60 Pro acts like a silent watchman. It sends motion-triggered photo alerts straight to your phone, along with HD video clips you can review from anywhere. With support for multiple networks, Verizon, AT&T, T-Mobile, it connects to whichever signal is strongest. Its 8,000 mAh battery can last up to a month, or pair it with a solar panel, and it becomes an almost permanent guardian. No glow, invisible night vision lets it see up to 100 feet in the dark, capturing wildlife, intruders, or unexplained visitors without revealing its own position. Back indoors, surveillance can be as simple as a NannyCam that sets up in 3 seconds. Small, slim, and subtle, it streams in sharp 2K Ultra HD. A dual-screen preview shows the full room and close-up detail at the same time. It can record with or without Wi-Fi, store footage on SD, or send it to the cloud. Motion detection and infrared night vision keep watch even in total darkness up to 15 feet away. Communication in disguise. Signal and the hacker's phone. But what good is surveillance without secure communication? Signal reimagines the way we answer calls. It's a smart strap that turns your fingertip into a private earpiece. Tap your finger to your ear, and body conduction technology carries sound from the strap through your hand, straight to your fingertip. No earbuds, no visible headset. Then there's the retro-looking hacker's phone, an old-school keypad phone hiding a very modern twist. Lightweight, only about 3 ounces, it can make calls without a traditional SIM card. Instead, you set up a SIP account, connect to Wi-Fi, and speak freely through internet protocols. Its modular daughter board lets it transform. HackyPi, drone, NTX3. Some gadgets are built not just to use, but to learn from. HackyPi is a tiny USB device powered by the Raspberry Pi RP2040 chip. Dual ARM cores, a microSD slot, and a customizable display turn it into a portable lab for coders and ethical hackers. Plug it into Windows, Mac, Linux, even Android. Practice encryption, log data, simulate attacks in a safe environment, and learn how systems defend themselves. It's a spy tool in spirit, but also a classroom in your pocket. Then there's the drone that doesn't just fly and film. It fires sensor darts. Lightweight, around 23 grams, and able to work from about 13 feet away, it carries up to 17 darts in a single charge. Each dart can measure and monitor environments that are hard, dangerous, or impossible to reach by hand. As daylight fades, the Night Thunder X3 steps in. Futuristic night vision goggles capable of capturing 4K video and 40-megapixel photos. AI Color Boost enhances low-light scenes, revealing crisp detail instead of grainy black and white. With 8x zoom and 3 levels of infrared, it can spot targets up to nearly 1,400 feet away. Stealth Glow backlit buttons make them usable in darkness without broadcasting your presence. Powered by a 5,000 mAh battery, they can run for up to 18 hours, while built-in storage saves every step of your nocturnal mission. The Chipolo Loop is a rechargeable tracker designed to stay with you for the long haul. Its battery lasts up to 6 months and charges via USB-C. Compatible with Apple, Find My, and Google's Find Network, it connects to a mesh of millions of devices worldwide to locate your belongings. Nearby, you can trigger a 125 dB alert, loud enough to hear from rooms away. Wrapped in a sleek silicone loop, it attaches easily to keys, bags, or tech. With extras like phone finding, out-of-range alerts, and even a selfie remote, it's equal parts security and convenience. For digital assets, the GD10 portable SSD puts physical control back in your hands. A small 1.83-inch touchscreen lets you lock your files instantly. Tap to enter encryption mode. The drive disconnects from your device and becomes unreadable to anyone without the password. Unplug it, and it locks automatically. With Apple, Find My built-in. If you misplace it, you can locate it on a map and even use precision finding to track it down. Your data isn't just stored, it's guarded. On the move, a camera-equipped RC car becomes your ground-level scout. A 3-megapixel lens streams video to your phone in real time, letting you see from the car's point of view as it rolls over concrete, grass, rocks, or sand. Anti-skid rubber tires and a strong motor give it off-road agility, while app controls handle steering, braking, and quick maneuvers. For more traditional filming, the Z10 4K action camera is a pocket-sized companion built for land and sea. Sealed in a waterproof case, it dives with you for underwater journeys, snorkeling, diving, or ocean adventures. Weighing just 49 grams, it's light enough for daily vlogs, pet POV shots, or mounting on a bike helmet. A quick mount bracket and one-click recording keep things simple. Press, and you're capturing the moment. Sometimes the most surprising gadgets are the most ordinary looking. And then, there's X-Fly, the bionic bird. At a glance, it looks like a bird in flight. Lightweight, with flapping wings and an elegant wingspan. But X-Fly is a next-generation drone, weighing only about 12 grams, powered by a patented mechanism and reinforced motor. 6-axis gyroscopes and Army-grade sensors stabilize its path, keeping its movements smooth and lifelike. Controlled through an app or an X-Play controller, it glides, turns, and lands like a real bird, indoors or out. Swappable batteries offer around 12 minutes of flight per charge, with another 12 to top it up again. Watch it cross the sky and you may not know whether you're seeing nature or technology in disguise.